Hi, I'm Michael Lopez, owner and president of Alpha Mortgage. I'm excited to share with you a series of short, informative videos featuring industry experts from our area. From finding a home and making an offer, all the way to closing day, we'll answer questions that will explain what goes on during the home buying process. So let's get started. They are making new rules on what you can do on medical collections. So with that, Matt, could you explain that?
Sure. So, Michael, a lot of people like you are very considerate about their credit scores. And I think what's been happening is people sometimes get shocked when they think they have a certain score and see that it drops, only to find that there's been a medical collection that's been placed on their credit report that they may not have even been aware of. Well,
and then they're really shocked when they pay that medical collection off and it drops.
And then their score goes down. Yeah, the score goes down further still. So the CFPB has recognized that, that these medical collections are impacting, tens of thousands of Americans. And so they've made some proposed changes. The newest one is effective July 1st. And the first big change is if you have a collection, a medical collection, and you pay it, it's not going to be reported at all. It will never even hit your credit report.
So it's not done as a paid collection, which is death for your...
That's right. It's just never even going to hit the report. So I guess the moral of that story, if you get a collection, you pay it, you're not going to have to see it again. The other big change has to do with the time frames in which collection companies can place the collection on your report. Currently, they cannot put the collection on your report until you haven't paid it for 6 months.
Okay.
They've pushed that time frame back to a year. So now you have a full year to pay for that collection before it hits your credit report.
Gotcha.
Kind of a big deal again. I mean, you have some time now in the event one of these catches you off guard. Hopefully, you've got 12 months to get that sorted out and get it paid off.
Right.
I think if those first two weren't enough, in early 23, they have yet another change, which I think will be even a larger impact. Collections have to be $500 or greater for them to even hit your credit report at all.
Well, that's a good one then.
That's huge, yeah. So if it's under $500, it's never even gonna get reported. Kind of a big deal. The CFPB actually feels that this will remove up to 70% of all medical collections that are being reported today. And that's a massive number, 70%. So what does that mean for us and for consumers, especially for folks that rely on their credit to get better terms and rates? I think in the mortgage business, we're gonna see better interest rates for clients because they're gonna have better credit scores. It's gonna mean less credit repair that has to be done in order to become credit worthy to purchase a home. Less processing time. It's just going to expedite the entire process, but most importantly, it's going to remove that burden of a medical collection on your credit scores.
I'm Michael Lopez, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe if you're not already, along with clicking the bell icon to be notified when we put out new videos. If you want to know more, please visit www.alphamortgage.com.